Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the fascinating stories of our natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share with you some amazing tales from the realms of science, nature, and the environment. Today, we're going to start with a story that's sure to capture your imagination. Imagine a land filled with giant creatures, where the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex roams supreme. But have you ever wondered how this iconic dinosaur came to be? Well, a recent discovery in New Mexico might just hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the T-Rex's origins. A team of researchers has been studying a large fossil tibia found in the Kirtland Formation, a geological formation that dates back around 74 million years. And what they've discovered is nothing short of remarkable. The bone, which is about 96 centimeters long, is surprisingly massive, suggesting that it belonged to a creature that was significantly larger than any other tyrannosaur known from that time period. Now, you might be wondering what this means for our understanding of the T-Rex's evolution. Well, according to some scientists, this discovery could challenge the current theory that the T-Rex migrated from Asia to North America via a land bridge. Instead, it's possible that tyrannosaurids living in southern North America may have migrated northward, giving rise to the iconic T-Rex we know and love. But not all scientists are convinced by these findings. Some argue that a single leg bone is not enough to draw firm conclusions about the creature it belonged to, let alone its place in the evolutionary history of the T-Rex. As one researcher pointed out, these are pretty unbelievable claims about a single bone that's not well preserved. Despite the debate, this discovery has certainly sparked an interesting discussion about the origins of the T-Rex and the evolution of tyrannosaurids. And who knows, maybe future discoveries will shed more light on this fascinating topic. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves in the midst of a most unexpected tale of adventure and survival. A red fox, barely 2 years old, has managed to sneak onto a ship in Southampton, England, and sail all the way to the port of New York and New Jersey. This fantastical feat has left many of us wondering about the cunning and resilience of these remarkable creatures. As we delve into the story of this plucky fox, we're reminded that red foxes are one of the most widespread and adaptable carnivorous mammals on the planet. Found in Europe, Asia, North America, and even parts of Africa, they've proven themselves to be highly resourceful in the face of human expansion and urbanization. In Britain, for example, there are tens of thousands of urban foxes with some of the highest density populations found in the world. But how did this particular fox manage to stow away on a ship and travel over 3,000 miles across the Atlantic? The details are still emerging, but it's clear that this young fox was determined to explore beyond its familiar surroundings. And as we consider the journey of this intrepid traveler, we're struck by the realization that even in the most unexpected places, wildlife can thrive and surprise us. The Bronx Zoo, which is currently caring for the fox, has a long history of working with officials to rescue and rehabilitate wildlife that's been trafficked through nearby ports and airports. It's a vital service that highlights the importance of protecting and preserving the natural world, even in the midst of bustling cities. As we follow the story of this remarkable fox, we're reminded of the complex relationships between humans and wildlife. We're also encouraged to think about our role in shaping the world around us and the impact we have on the creatures that share our planet. The fact that this fox was able to sneak onto a ship and travel so far is a testament to its adaptability, but it also raises important questions about the safety and security of our transportation systems. For now, the fox is receiving care and attention from veterinarians at the Bronx Zoo, and zookeepers are exploring options for a long-term home. As we wait to see what the future holds for this incredible animal, we're left to ponder the many wonders of the natural world and the incredible stories that emerge when humans and wildlife intersect. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating realm of wildlife and ecology, I'd like to take you to the breathtaking landscapes of Yellowstone National Park, where a remarkable tale of intelligence and adaptation has been unfolding. Researchers have made a groundbreaking discovery about the behavior of ravens in this iconic American wilderness. It appears that these enigmatic birds are not just opportunistic scavengers following wolves to feast on their kills. Instead, they seem to be using their exceptional spatial memory to recall locations where wolves have hunted successfully in the past. This strategy allows them to plan their scavenging expeditions with remarkable precision, often traveling vast distances to reach these hotspots. The study, which tracked over 70 ravens and 20 gray wolves across 2.5 years, revealed that nearly half of the wolf kill sites were visited by at least one raven within 7 days. Some ravens even traveled over 93 miles to reach these sites, demonstrating an impressive ability to navigate and remember the landscape. This research not only showcases the intelligence of ravens, but also highlights the intricate web of relationships within ecosystems. It's a powerful reminder that animals are not just reacting to their environment, they're actively navigating and interacting with other species in complex ways. As we learn more about the natural world, we're constantly reminded of the awe-inspiring adaptations that have evolved over time. From blue whales tracking phytoplankton blooms to chimpanzees revisiting fruit-bearing trees, it's clear that animals are capable of remarkable feats of memory and navigation. As we conclude today's nature walk, I hope you'll join me in appreciating the incredible complexity and beauty of the natural world. Remember that every species, no matter how big or small, plays a vital role in the grand tapestry of life on Earth. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.